Knocking Aretha Franklin while I clean the car.
Good evening, what's going on, y'all?
In them yoga pants, oh my lord. About to hit this day party, check the flyer. After I spray the black magic on the tires. Damn, I love the summer, these sisters in sundresses are looking heavenly. I give thanks, it's such a blessing. The sun is shining, the birds chirping, the clouds fluffy, the weather's perfect in the summer. The days get longer, outfits get shorter, streets getting hot, pop the hydrant for the water. In the summer, throw the old kicks on the power line. Summer, cop the fresh kicks.
What's up? Send this to the people on the Instagram.
Hit the day party, it's 1,000 dimes. Dreaming of the summer, cruising on the city. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the summer, dreaming of the summer. I got the AC pumping with the windows down halfway, blowing that shit Dave Chappelle stole in half big. Wintertime, spring, summertime, grind. For the mansion with the Hummer outside, but my vision is bigger than the clothes in the car, so my vision is different like Jordan LaForge. Can't wait to sign the autograph.
We got a late night one tonight. Not gonna be here too long.
The days get longer, outfits get
Welcome. What's poppin'? Let's pull up some things.
Throw the old kicks on the power line. Summer, cop the fresh kicks, these are out of sight. Summer, watch the whip, then you know it's shower time. Summer, hit the day party, it's 1,000 dimes. Dreaming of the summer.
Will in the building. What up, though?
Dreaming of the summer. Brunch with the wifey at the park. Grown man shit. Kiss her forehead. She say I'm so romantic. Summer nights popping. We could paint the town any night. Elbow out the window while I cruise under city lights.
Shout out to Rock Stages.
Reach the Godzilla. I rumble with the lions. Arm wrestle with Godzilla. It's Rock Stages. I'm dreaming of the summer. If you think you're number one, trust me, I'm scheming on your number. The days get longer, outfits get shorter, streets getting hot, pop the hydrant for the water. In the summer, throw the old kicks on the power line. Summer, cop the fresh kicks, these are out of sight. Summer, watch the whip, then you know it's shower time. Summer, hit the day party, it's 1,000.
About to get started.
Dreaming of the summer, cruising on the city. Yeah, I'm dreaming of the summer. Dreaming of the summer, got me all up in the gym trying to flex like Brutus. The beefcake with free weights acting foolish. Since it's Sunday, I'm doing preacher curls. Hallelujah. Gotta keep the physique right for the cuties. Sip the lemonade, light the grill up. Invite the whole family over, man, that's real love. Kids running
What's
around,
going on? What's going on? Good evening, everybody. How y'all doing tonight? I hope y'all day was a lot better than mine. My day was crazy. What's going on? I'm Lando Success, your host for tonight. So that's how my day went, man. So I literally got up this morning, took a flight to Louisville, Kentucky. Got some friends, people live out there. Went out there. My boy picked me up. We went, grabbed some breakfast, me, him, his girl. Amazing spot. It's called Big Bad Breakfast. Just opened up in Louisville. Go out there, and then I was picking up a truck. I was driving it from Louisville to Dallas, Texas. Literally get to the truck. It's a Census van, and the guy that took me to the truck, he'd go to walk away. I'm like, hold on, let me turn it over to make sure it worked. Now, remind you, before I flew out there, I'm in the airport. I always call to confirm, make sure the unit there is ready at work, everything before I fly out there and take an L, because obviously I have done that before, right? So, man, I turn the ignition over, and all you hear is a loud. So the guy was like, it's somebody must stole the catalytic converter. So he look under the car, the van, the catalytic converter is completely gone. So he like, yeah, you can't drive it like this. So I literally flew out to Louisville for no reason, and the options they had to drive outside of that just wasn't worth it. So kicked with my friends for a little bit, went back to the airport and flew back home. So I just literally woke up to have brunch in Louisville today. Didn't make no money. It's definitely like I just hate an L day where I just didn't get anything achieved. But, it be days like that. Sometimes you can't cry over spilled milk. We got Bobby. Shout out to the admin. Bobby in the building. He said, continue trying to soak up this crypto and stock and knowledge. He is one of the first members of the Patreon team of the success team. If you guys are not signed up, what are you waiting for? I got the link in the bio. I have it in the comments, pinned to the top. Get signed up for the Patreon. I'm not doing a bunch of tiers. I'm doing one tier, $20. You're VIP. You get all access. When I tell you every single day, I'm giving all the knowledge that I'm not giving on here, like that value. I give great, valuable information, but that stuff to go to the next level, the stuff that I don't feel like editing, I don't feel like setting up a whole situation. Y'all get the full access to that. So just click the link, sign up. We're going to get everything kicking on June 1st. But I can tell I'm going to probably get started before June 1st. I'm mad on the plane. I wrote a great article to share with the Patreon members today. And since it was on airplane mode, it didn't save. I'm like, I'm not redoing this again. But yeah, definitely get signed up with the Patreon. You can just go to, is it Patreon.com actually? Let's do it this way. You can go to patreon.com. Then you just hit the /Lando Success. And you are there. Got your membership. Get started. Got a bunch of deals what we're going to do as we build it up. Shout out to everybody that's in here today. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Hope all is well. Might as well get this thing popping and get it popping now. Everybody hit me up as soon as I get on live. So I titled this one today, Bitcoin 7 week straight in the red, because I seen this article on Coinbase. Let me show you. Seen this article. The article said Bitcoin 7th straight week in the red sets a new record low.
Oh no!
Didn't expect that, because I noticed, I was looking at the price today. I'm like, Bitcoin is kind of back in that sunken place, trading sideways for a while. And it's like a slow trend going down. And it really looked like it's probably about to just trade sideways for a while or explode. So let's say the previous 6 week record happened in 2014. Now, for those that don't know, that was 18 years. I mean, that was 8 years ago. Almost a decade ago. You know how hard it is to now just be beating this record in 8 years. So you're telling me in 8 years, Bitcoin at least went up within 6 weeks. That's crazy, because it seemed like that's not hard. Bitcoin seventh consecutive week of losses is unprecedented. Due to the previous 6 week record took place in 2014, when Bitcoin dropped from $507 on August 25th to $323. Think of this. You was able to buy one Bitcoin for $507, and it dropped all the way down to $323. People like, oh man, the hell with this. On October 6th, according to Bitstamp, this year the primary cryptocurrency has suffered an equally dramatic collapse from roughly 46,900 on March 28th to a Monday closeout of 31,300, a 33% loss. So we're going to see the current prices now. Is this going to keep on going on? Before its bearish turn, the cryptocurrency by market cap has surged past 45,000 for the first time since January. Market sentiments grew bullish among traders and analysts alike, while enthusiasm over Terra's plan to build a $10 billion reserve further rallied the community. But this month, a different story, as Bitcoin price plunged to lows unseen since late 2020. Terra ecosystem all but collapsed. We know all what happened with that. In March, Bitcoin fears and greed index, a rough measure of Bitcoin community and market attitudes, flipped to greedy a score of 55 plus for the first time since November. Today's index shows extreme fear at 14 compared to November colossal high of 84. Analysts are mixed on whether Bitcoin has reached the bottom. My man said, Clemente, lead insight analyst at Blockworks, said he believes that the asset will likely reach a multi-generational bottom based on multiple indicators, including a fast approach realized price. Researchers at so-and-so remain bearish. The market bottom has yet to come, and value investors should hold off on buying. The price will drop somewhere between 20,000 to 25,000 before recovering. What's y'all thoughts on that? Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. Let's look at it. So it's the price at 31,000. We're under that, so it's on the pace to keep on doing that. But look at this. In the last 7 days, we kind of been in that little sunken place. What I talked about, 35,000 to 45,000. It's a new sunken place right now. It's like, let's go between, like 20, 27, we'd say 27 to 37 or something if we did 10,000. But it's even lower than that. We're literally just trading sideways. And you look at it, you see Bitcoin. Now, this is what they're saying. You can see in the last 4 weeks, just look, boom, down. I almost made it. down. Now, this should break off because going back 3 months, you look at this and usually everything trade very consistent. So this should be going down like this, and it's at this mark. So it should be going down right here, and it should be going lower, but I haven't did it. So right here, you notice it's trading sideways. When it do that, it's usually going to explode, go down fast. Bitcoin haven't traded sideways like that for a long time. Now, if we go back to the dates that it was talking about, when they said it was 2014 October. So November, October, I think they said October 2014. Yep. When it went and traded down for those weeks. Last time Bitcoin did what they're talking about right now, from that time frame, we just go December 4th, 370, we just say under $400. Under 400 to finally hitting $500. Almost 2 years later. So it really took 2 years for it to really do anything. And it finally got a little bump. Boom. Oh, we hit over 500. Oh, shit. Can we keep on going? Boom. We finally reached over $1,000 for one Bitcoin. And that's when everything fully started. Question is, how long? Like, look, this looked very nasty. From this full bull run to down like this, back up, down. It look nasty. It looks like we're going back down. What do y'all think about that, man? It definitely look nasty. For everybody that's new in here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We got my other Patreon member in the building. We got Chris in here. What's up, Chris? What's going on, dog? What's going on? Chris say, let's see. Will said, when the next bull run begin, there will be thousands of new millionaires. Yeah, because people are not as scared right now. For the longest, people been scared to invest when everything is red. We done lost so much money. People ain't mad no more. We won't be millionaires, but I'm working on it. Definitely will come up after the next bear market, though. Oh, yeah, we going to get it. We're definitely going to get it. I'm trying to make some thousands on the next bill. Heck yeah, yep. Facts. I'm predicting the market will go back up late June or July. because investors go on vacation from April, August. Hi, where are you? Back home. There you go. My mom. So why does my mom text me this late? Back home, I had to fly back. I don't know what she talking about. She must be up to something. Bobby said, I grabbed some Bitcoin last week and haven't been following closely lately. Last couple of weeks when it dropped some more, I'm on it. Chris said, I think the bottom is at 22K. Do y'all think the bottom is at? What would y'all say the bottom is at? If I was just to look at it and guess, if I was a guessing man and looks at the bottom, look at it last year. My thing is, I really will be able to call it after I see how real estate, and it's crazy, 80% buying, yo. If I were to see exactly how bad the real estate market is going to crash and how it's going to affect crypto. Because real estate market, everything else is crashing. We got inflation high as hell, stock market crashing, and all we need now is real estate. And let's say he might be right about 22. I don't see it hitting 20. I just really don't see it. I honestly, if I was to go on a limb, I would say we're going to get a small bull run to get a new positional place. Because right now we're right around 30,000. I think we're going to bump back up to 36, 37, 35, right around there. And sit and do the same thing right there for a second before we crash back down. But it's going to be interesting to see exactly what's popping. So let's see who's our top movers. On here, we got the market is down 3.67% in the last day. Gainers, Jasmine, Cool, Rap, XYO been doing a little bit of moving lately. Voyager, who is our top losers always. UST down to 9 cents a share. Rep is down. Mirror Protocol is down. So those are leading every day at this point. And if we look at the big boys over here, they have everything up in the green the last day. Bitcoin 30,000. Ethereum still over $2,000. We have Cardano only down 1%. Solana barely down. Crow still at 19 cents. So it's really been honestly a very boring day in crypto. Algorand. Did you guys see the video I did talking about Algorand? Staking percentage is on Coinbase went up to 5.75%. Crazy. Look at this, yo. I don't know where the hell this came from. Because Algorand, I thought it was like a 0 point something last time I checked on here. And now my question is, do I send my money back over here or do I keep it on a Parrot wallet? Do we got any Algorand holders in here? Where is, I guess it don't show it in here, huh? Do it show? It don't show it, but basically it went up to 5.75%. And I want to know what's better, this or the wallet. Where? Learn. NFT, borrow card. Buy, sell. Business. I don't know where to find all the staking rewards. Seem like it should be in one of these. Let's see. Crypto basics. Market newsletters. See if we can find some good old staking. Let's try this. Coinbase. And algo staking. I right. Was staking. All right, so it was saying right here, cryptocurrency rewards payout. You just need a little bit. I want to see. Did they update it? Here we go. Okay. True. Algorand holders will receive rewards quarterly, every 3 months, rather than every day. All right, so I wonder why they don't show that stuff. But yeah, it definitely went higher, so that was interesting. Didn't fully expect that one. ApeCoin is up 3%. Mana down. Hedera still at 10 cents. So yeah, everything really just been on some chill stuff. So it might just be a boring week in crypto. Some Zilliqa is up in the green. I seen an article about Zilliqa. Let's see. Zilliqa. See, Bitcoin hits 3-day death cross. More bloodbath coming. So everybody's saying this shit about to get real. It's about to get a lot more bloody. Why you acting slow, player? Australian Texan Ledger Nano X Wallet review. I reached out to a company called, what is it? Who did I reach out to on Twitter to do a sponsorship deal with, because with crypto going down, a lot of people have been wanting, like what happened with UST, and you got Coinbase talking about the bankrupt situation. A lot of companies, a lot of people has been looking at, cold storage wallets. And I thought they basically became obsolete. ARCULUS. So I looked them up, and I really love their cold storage wallet. So it's like basically you get a dope ass metal card, and on their app, when you basically you gotta put this on the back of your phone for it to basically go through. So if you don't get this, you're not about to be able to get it. So it's like a unique concept with it. Save 10% on Oculus Key card when you order on Amazon. So I reached out to them like, yo, let's do a sponsorship. Let's go ahead and do some business together. So we will see what they talking about. It go to my page. I've been with that shooting. I've been real pro black. They can be like, I don't know if we talk about we team up with him. He been real turned the hell up. But hey, gotta take me as is. Gotta take a player as is. The world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, witnessed a brutal crash last week, along with the collapse of Terra. Since then, Bitcoin has been flirting around 30K, but failed to give a daily close above it. A major red sign on the technical chart is Bitcoin has crossed a 3-day red chart. The last 2 times this happened, BTC price corrected by a stagnant 50%. If Bitcoin really repeats this performance, we're heading way down to 15,000. I freaking wish. Think if Bitcoin went to 15 grand, y'all. What would y'all do if Bitcoin went to 15 grand? Real stuff. What would y'all do if Bitcoin went down to 15,000? I will be excited. I will like it. Ledger Nano. And I could have reached out to Ledger, but everybody hips, everybody pimp. Everybody like Ledger and know about it. And I'll reach out to Ledger too. Somebody remind me after we get off live. Somebody inbox me to reach out to Ledger. For those that don't know, Ledger Nano X is a code wallet. Meanwhile, to know that Ledger is a premium cold wallet storage are devices without any connection to the internet, hence making it safe, secure, and not vulnerable to penetration. Remember, a cold wallet will also store the user private keys offline on this device. This means your crypto is safe unless you lose the device itself, and an unauthorized party will access your digital access if they have the private key, which is hard to get. You should know with what is that. But now I guess a lot of people don't, because we are out of the era of the cold storage wallet. And it's like, if you only get a few $100, $1,000, most people don't care. We just put it in centralized. And we like to see our money. We don't want to just store it in this little block. Shine up the little blockade once in a while. Stablecoin supply and cash reserve in question amid crypto exodus. Zakilla maintains its 90-day gain. What do they mean by this? Increased trading volume, moderate volume circulation. I still have some staked. Conclusion, long-term investors could use ZIL as a potential access to limit losses due to unstoppable market conditions. I've been buying some. Haven't bought none lately. Need to buy the dip. But that's what I was going to do with this money I was going to make driving. But I went out and lost money. It's Pam's good money too. Completely pissed me off. And I get my son's birthday coming up this weekend. Litecoin price target $33. Ismatic setting up a bear trap. Finance strength and legal team. 5 stalls caught Bitcoin tension. Lead in Middle Eastern crypto to the moon prepares to open. So yeah, it's a calm day in crypto. It's not really too much popping. Stock market, go over here. You had the Dow in the green, NASDAQ in the red, Amazon down, Tesla down. Tesla trying to go under 700. Let's see what they say the futures are. Stock futures are flat. I think we have some big companies, their earning reports coming out. Let me see. Because when is what you call an earning report coming out? Let's see. Earning reports this week. Earning reports this week. May 16th, May 20. All right, we got BuzzFeed. None of these. I know. Wix. The big one is Walmart. So we got Walmart earning report. It's dropping tomorrow. What time is that? So I have to look into that. So that's a good one. Wednesday. Cisco. IBEX. Target. Target's going to do good again. Target's going to lead everything. So it should help out the market. Kohl's going to be completely all the way bad. But I thought Kohl's was going bankrupt or selling the company, to be honest. Flowers, Nano, then Friday finished the week. Foot Locker. So it's definitely going to be a mixed reaction week just with these type of earning reports alone. See what y'all been saying in the comments. Check out Army Token white paper. Let's check them out. Never heard of Army Token, so we got time. Army Token. Chris, it better not be no damn meme. Is it Doge Army Token? Doge Army Token. Unique community token for Doge fans. We are built By Doge fans for Doge fans are okay. So it's a what you call it meme token. And see here, Twitter followers. Can't get to Twitter. When was they pre-sale? But I'm assuming it's gonna be like Doge. It's gonna have like a crazy zillion trillion coin circulation. 22 K5. Is this a coin you talking about? Total supply 10 trillion. No. Let me know if that's the coin you talking about. Because we don't need to read the white paper of it. We meme tokens. You don't got to do that with meme tokens. Can't even see the price of it yet. Probably have to look on CoinGecko. Let me know if that's the one you're talking about. 9 cents. Yeah, USC down 9 cents. That's crazy. I hope it do hit 22K at least. That recovery would be nice. Let me know what y'all think. I think Duquan could learn from their burning process. Okay, you trying to say that. Do you mean AMP token? Yeah, come on, help us out. Crow going any lower? Hell yeah, if Bitcoin keep on crashing like everybody is talking about, Crow definitely gonna go lower. 100%. Sell all the Crow and buy lower. Hell no, you way too late to sell Crow. You gotta just hold on to it. It's not worth it. It's completely not worth selling any Crow. You can try it. I don't think it'll work. Don't think it will work. My bad. It's under Crow Army. Shit, man. You out here got us looking at something crazy. What coins have you guys been buying during the dip? I haven't bought anything new. Everything been the exact same. What I've been buying. And I haven't bought in the last like 4 days. Because I want to pay some bills and make some more money. And today was my money day and tomorrow was to buy. But I have no idea how I'm going to do it now since I didn't go fly out. But I think the last thing I purchased. Hey, uh-oh. My bad. There we go. Chris got a super chat so we can go back to it. You know I wasn't going to go back to that damn Crow Army. All right, Chris. We can go back. Chris, no, I wasn't about to go back to that shit. Okay. All right, dog. Let's. Crow Army. What is a token? Like, what is this damn Crow Army is he talking about, y'all? Is Chris drunk? He over there got the wife and kids sleeping. Chris on that shit tonight. Chris, let me see, man. Well, let me check CoinGecko. I think Chris on that shit, y'all. If you ask me. Crow Army. Hey, y'all. I am on Crow Army. I don't know what you... I don't know. I think Crow... Chris is on some other stuff. Chris, you brother. Can somebody... Oh man, Chris, we gonna charge it to your head and not your heart, player. Bobby saying my opinion.
Oh my God. They took my job.
In my opinion, Bitcoin would never get that low 15K. Wills will swoop it up before it happened. Yeah, everybody would go nuts on that. Still buying, diversifying. I'm bullish on crypto DeFi. I'm to be honest, I'm so upset with DeFi right now. Chronos DeFi. And it's not with the price going down, because all price is going down. It's just how they're running everything. How the MMF team is trash. How they're running things. How I have some money in Hakuna Matata. I haven't even checked the last few days because it wasn't working from my DeFi, from my app. It was working like from the computer. I was just about to pull my money out, but I forgot to do it. So it's still in there. So it's probably just doing what it's doing. I don't know. I'm very, and it's a perfect time. This is the time to get rich over there. It's just they're running and managing things so bad over there. It's unattractive, man. I need them to do better. Because every time they launch something, it goes to hell. Let's see. How basically are you still holding MMF and SVN? No, I sold it and what did I do? Oh yeah, that's what I did. I sold it and put it in Luna like 2 weeks ago.
Oh no!
Oh my god. They took my job.
So I lost that in Luna. And what else I do? I put some money, I don't know, a few $100s in Hakuna Matata. So that's the only thing in DeFi. I still have some money sitting in my DeFi wallet that I just didn't do anything with. But yeah, that money is long gone because I'm like, yeah, let me go ahead. Because I don't know, DeFi just acting crazy. I'm like, man, let me go ahead. Put this in my Hodlnaut account and swap it over. So yeah, that money long gone, dog. I think I got like $2,000 over there. My shit. My shit probably say $16. Definitely. Yeah, I'm still on MMF and SVN too. Yeah. The thing is, I'm completely bullish on Savannah, like SVN and M-Share. I'm completely bullish on them. If I trust anybody in the DeFi world, it is literally Savannah and M-Share. Them two, I will always probably ride with. I love it. I love it. Bro, I'm about to send y'all the web link. Chris, since it's so hard to find this coin, no, do not invest your money in this coin. Oh, Lord. Elizabeth, crowarmy.io. Y'all tell Chris don't invest his money in here. Oh, Lord. crowarmy.io. I spelled army wrong. Okay. Crow. ARMY.io. Okay. All right. Okay. Jeez. Okay. Buy Crow Army. Tokenomics. All right. Let's first look at their Twitter. See if they got some people following them. Brand new. Just started. Oh, no. Number one, first thing first, I would not be investing in any new projects. If the project haven't been out longer than probably a year and a half. If it's, what is it? Today's 2022, right? And let's go. January 2021. If the token haven't been out since January 2021, I wouldn't even give them the time of day, to be honest, until they completely prove it or they have a great system. Let's see. Our token with our NFT combined make a community-based ecosystem for going with. And thank you for that super chat. The reason being, because I try to do, when I do these lives, I try to not, monetize the live, because the worst thing is when you're on a live, you shouldn't have to watch commercials. That's dumb to me. So I'm not monetizing this. Then once it's over with, then I'm monetizing. Everybody watch it later, get to watch commercials. But when you're on live, you shouldn't have to do that. So yeah, that extra $2 help play out. The Crow Army Soldier Crow Army is probably launching their first NFT. Got some dope NFTs. Diamond Hand, Crow Burn. Okay. Crow Army Burn. Deflation is something we're not used to in America. So, bad boys for 25 Crow. Now the good thing is they're using Crow, which is great. Mint 1, so they got some mint that just happened. Token army lock. Total supply of 100,000 million, 1 billion. So that's a good good circulation is 1 billion. I like that. So price actually can be decent. Small piece of the pie. Who the hell is this? Oh Lord. Is this the guy you stand behind, Chris? Chris, is this your company? Chris, just tell us, man. If you need us to throw $10 in your company, man, we'll help you out with the baby. We got you. I support you. Hello, I'm an Army combat veteran that seeks to do more with everyone. I've been seeing so many scams, and frankly, I'm tired of it. Creating a safe learning environment, high dividends. Brother just don't get enough. He don't have enough. What's the word? Enough, not credibility. I can't. It's late. I can't think of the word. He don't have enough time, experience. That's what I want to say. He don't have enough experience to probably make this work. He's gonna have to bump his head a few times, and where we at, we can't afford too much bumping at heads. We just get our head bumped on Luna, so we can't afford too much of it. So me personally, it's nothing about this tell me to buy. Nothing about it. So I 100,000% wouldn't recommend buying Crow Army. So I'm assuming you can swap Crow over in Army. So it's a token ARMY. Coin Gecko. ARMY. ARMY. Baby Army. Someone said Army. Everybody Army. So yeah, no telling. But yeah, I wouldn't put my money on that, Chris. You should don't be asking me about no crazy ass tokens, man. I don't even know that. Yo, that's Chris' cousin, yo. His cousin that paid him to ask me that. Oh. That's Chris for sure. He can't fool us. Oh Lord, man. Y'all funny. All right, so let's conclude so I can try to get some sleep and figure out my life, man. I don't know. It just threw me off. Threw me off today, man. Y'all funny. Yeah, man. We gonna be having a good time in that Patreon. We gonna have some fun. And I actually use you in the example. You and Bobby, I use both of y'all in my example. I'm gonna probably rewrite it tomorrow. With it just was long right on the plane and that shit fucking deleted. I was pissed. Like, jeez. All right. See what the market back red in the last day. Still 30 over 2. So it's still trading sideways for a good while. Tether 99 cents. Nothing popping new over there. And basically the premise of people that came in late was basically Bitcoin 7th straight week trading in the red. Ended up setting a new record, right? And they did it for 7 straight weeks. The last time this happened was in 2014 when Bitcoin was $507 in August and it went down to $323. Think of this. He was able to get for $500 and $323. And they haven't did that since in 8 years. And now Bitcoin completely been doing that. And the last time that actually happened, Bitcoin traded sideways for about 2 years. So you got to think it happened right about over here in October and under $400. And you see it didn't go over $500 until 2016, May 2016. So we better hope it don't go as bad as that, because you zoom in, you can see it more over here. So now you see when Bitcoin is up over 1,000, then it went down 700, 608, then 700, 600, 500, 400, 400, back up to 600. Then it started dipping down, and that was at 7-week span, like over there. And it trades sideways. So we hope that's not the same scenario. But Bitcoin really looks very ugly right now off of this chart, off of this growth. I don't like it. I do not like it. Do not look good, my friend. My friend. So I don't know. So if you guys are not signed up with the Patreon, we are getting everything started on June 1st, but you can get signed up right now. You don't get charged until the 1st of every single month. It's only $20. That $20 is irrelevant. You're going to make that times 10 just off of the first video I'm going to release, giving you game and information that I don't release on here. You get raw content. You don't have to worry about, hey, like and subscribe. We just get to get right to the facts of what we are talking about. And the way I did it, because I was looking at different people Patreons, and it's funny because Patreon, when you set it up, it tells you to, they recommend you to tell everybody how much money you're getting paid, which is kind of like an oxymoron. But, Patreon, they know better than me. So I went to like most of my favorite people Patreons. Nobody have their money, how much they're getting paid. And it's funny. So it's like, okay, because nobody want to tell people how many people they get in. And it's like somebody hiding their subscribers, So the way I want to do it, because I always look at it like, if I make money, I'll be a fool not to give it back to the community, right? So once we start growing like crazy, I want it where 10% of whatever the Patreon money is making is give it back. So say, for example, we're at the point where we're making $10,000 a month. That means whoever's in the Patreon, I'm giving away $1,000 per month throughout the patrons. And it's just going to be quizzes, assignments, debates, just fun shit to be able to give back to the community that helps you out. And that's how your channel will grow so much. Who don't like free money? And we're going to do it all through crypto.com, because I'm going to show you guys like some advanced stuff on crypto.com, such as sending money to each other. Man, this lemon and ginger get you right, got you strong. So I hope all is well. Y'all join Lando Patreon. What Chris talking about? Chris cousin, get your cousin and get Crow Army and Patreon so we can help that brother out. Y'all join Lando Patreon. He tell it like it is and will help the success. Yeah, it's going to get real. It's going to get real. Starting June 1st. And to be honest, I'm going to get started before. Like, right now I'm setting up the format of what I want from new people coming in. And just it's going to be like the basics. Then we just going to go nuts. But since I already have it started, like today I wrote something, just didn't go through. Elon Musk live right now. Hold on. Elon Musk live where? Where is Elon Musk live at? On Twitter? Where? Elon Musk is live. Let's see. Twitter. Chris Paul's dealing with quite nobody want to hear that stuff. Elon Musk. Live over here. Let's see, YouTube. I would love to know where is he live at. Which I ain't on my page. Go to Kendrick. Okay. Elon Musk live. Oh shit. He is live. What is this? Is this live?
A lot of the business models that we have today would not be the same. We would certainly not have the dependency we have upon the advertising business model if Bitcoin existed pre-Twitter. And I think the amount of business models that it enables, the amount of innovation it enables going forward, especially when you can consider the whole internet instead of going country by country by country by country, which you have to whenever you're doing with finance, it really just opens the aperture. And that is what I want to see in my lifetime is a currency that is standard and sound for the internet that everyone can use.
Great. A hallmark of Bitcoin is its fixed supply of 21 million coins. Elon referenced that earlier. It may be the first system.
That's interesting. So I don't know, because some of these don't always necessarily be live. That will finesse you, and it would be like old replays of something. We'll say, have I ever checked out Flexa Network? Nope. Not yet. Haven't checked them out. Hey, we got to bring some comedy. You know it, man. You know we got to bring something. And I wish that I was smart enough to start my own token. Shit, hey, we'll mess around and be able to start our own sooner or later. Just make the utility that much better. So, yeah, more likely I'll probably go live tomorrow, figure some things out. See what's popping. If y'all want some new content, let me know. Did you guys check out if you're on here, you probably didn't check out the video, but check out this video. I didn't even talk about Do Kwon, his new plan. So I just dropped this before I went live. Terra Luna fort without UST. Do Kwon plan to revive Luna. Smart or dumb move? What's y'all thoughts about this? Let me know in the comments where, Do Kwon came out with a new plan for Luna. And I honestly don't like it. He basically want to do a fort and make old Luna to Luna Classic and make new Luna just regular Luna. So he's like, basically, Luna is more than UST. That's only one part of it. And our ecosystem is dope as hell. So you can go on here and check it out. The best way to do it, because it's like 1, then 2, then 3. Just click this. And in the video, I really just went over his revival plan and gave my thoughts and my ideas about it. So I appreciate all you guys. I will talk to you. Chris said it's a dumb move. I don't agree with it either. They're gonna, y'all gotta watch the video. They're gone. It's just not smart. It's too soon. You gotta take time, breathe, understand what you did wrong, how you can actually fix it the right way without certain stuff happening again. Just taking away the stable coin don't necessarily mean it will work. And it's just, it's not going to work. So I will talk to you guys in a few. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Talk to y'all soon. Check the links in the description. We have Moomoo. Make sure you get signed up for Moomoo. If you like stocks, make sure you get signed up for Hodlnaut to be able to hold some of your money, make some high APYs. Got a bunch of different things in there. Talk to you guys. And mañana.